Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. I live in beautiful sunny San Diego and Cinco de Mayo is right around the corner and we always celebrate Cinco de Mayo here. So, in honor of Cinco de Mayo, I am going to make my version of Carne Asada beef. You can eat this beef on its own with rice and veggies, put it in a taco, put it on top of french fries or in a nice burrito. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my version of Carne Asada, keep on watching.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Add oil to your bowl. Zest the lime. Make sure when you zest the lime, you're only zesting the green part because the white part is pretty bitter. Get your press and squeeze out that lime juice. For added sweetness, I add freshly squeezed orange juice. I know this ingredient is not traditional, but I like to add soy sauce because I love the umami flavor that it gives. Next, add smoked paprika for some smokiness. We're going to add chili powder for heat and cumin for warmth. I like to add oregano, but before adding oregano, I like to rub the oregano as shown between my palms to release its natural oils. Lastly, you can add garlic or garlic powder, season with black pepper and salt to taste, and add cilantro. You're going to mix this until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Place a plastic bag in your bowl and add the meat. Once meat is all in, add your marinade and massage the marinade with the bag as shown. Lay your bag flat and allow the meat to marinate between an hour to 24 hours.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start my grill. This would probably taste better outside, but I don't have any propane. So we're going to go ahead and light up this indoor grill, which is a cast iron skillet with grilled marks. And I am using flank steak. This is going to be a quick cook because flank steak is like skirt steak. It's very thin. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on. You know what? There's already oil added to this, but I want to go ahead and just oil my grill just a little bit. Just in case. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the steak. Listen to that sizzle. And I am going to add a little bit of salt on top of it. It smells amazing. Okay, so you can see some color. Again, since these are thin, it's a quick cook. And I don't want to overcook my steak. I like my steak medium rare to medium. And I'm going to pour the remaining liquid on top of it. And as soon as this comes off the grill, I'm going to let this rest for about 10 minutes while I prepare my rice and veggies that's going to go along with this. I'm just going to let it rest on my board. And I'm going to also add salt to the top, just a little. And that's it. Let's go ahead and get this prepared. Okay, so I let my steak rest for about 10 minutes or so. You can see over here, you see these lines? These lines, we want to cut against it. So we are cutting against the grain just so our beef is nice and tender. And this recipe may not be traditional carne asada, but it is my version and it is delicious. I hope it is. We shall see. Alright you guys, I'm back. So I decided to have my carne asada with some rice and veggies. I do have a recipe for my rice and my guac. I will put the information where you can find that recipe in the description below, and you can also click up over here and it will take you to that playlist with recipes. So let me go ahead and finally taste this. Get this one. I can see that it's perfectly medium rare. Oh, that's good. You could taste a lot of the smokiness from the cumin. I taste a little bit of the lime. Smells good too. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you know and you will never miss an episode that I post. Again, if you want the recipe, please check out iveskitchen.net. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram under Ivy's Food and hashtag Ivy's Kitchen if you do post my food, and tag me because I would love to hear from you guys. Well, have a safe and fun Cinco de Mayo, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! So good!
Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out iveskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking